2024 Hyundai Santa Fe here. I'm gonna show you where the cabin filter is. This car is pretty new. I know it doesn't need one, but I'm gonna show you how to service it. Open up your glove box, disconnect the damper here on the side. All you gotta do is pull on it. Now there's these glove box stoppers here on both sides we need to take out. Just turn them counterclockwise. Lift the glove box up, then you can take them out. You probably want to take everything out of the glove box. It is going to come down. And then we can lower the glove box door. And once you get that out of the way, here's our, it's a little wider. Here is our door that holds the cabin filter. And come over here on the right side and squeeze these guys, and then you can take the door off. Now notice that there's an airflow indicator here, which is down on this guy. Pull out the filter. There we go. Okay. Take this leaf out. This one's pretty new. We're not changing it today. But if you need one, I'll have a link down in the description box where you can buy one from Amazon. Slide the new one in like that. Make sure it's all the way in there. So you get the door. You put the left side on first. Lock it on like that. Get your glove box to close it. And I'm going to use the damper to hold this thing kind of closed while I put the stoppers back in. So you put them back in here. Kind of close the glove box a little bit. Turn them clockwise until they lock, and you're all done.